Hello and welcome back to English Elevator. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Lisa. In this episode, we'll teach you how to order food in a restaurant using easy and polite English.
When you enter a restaurant, the waiter may say, "Hello, how many people? Would you like a table inside or outside? Are you ready to order?"
And you can answer, 2 people, please. A table inside, please. Yes, I'm ready. Here are some easy ways to order food. I would like a chicken sandwich, please. Can I have a cheeseburger and a glass of water? I'll have the pizza, please. For me, the salad, please.
Always say, "Please," to be polite. You can also ask questions like, "What do you recommend? What is today's special? Does this have meat? Can I see the menu?"
Great! These questions help you understand the food better. When you finish eating, you can say, "Can I have the bill, please? Thank you. The food was delicious. Can I pay by card?"
That's perfect for the end of your meal. Now you know how to order food in English at a restaurant.
Practice with a friend or try these phrases the next time you go out to eat.
Thanks for listening to English Elevator. See you in episode 10.